before pandemic, you had those students that were hungry and wanted to get after it. And there's some that were there like testing the waters. Is welding fabrication for me? But once we opened after the pandemic, um, we came back to a brand new shop. I don't know the gods of whatever, right? We had a remodel in our shop. So now I walk into our shop and it's a $6 million beautiful facility. Um,
Awesome. That's
and
great.
the students that have come back are just hungry. They just want to be there. So I teach the morning with a colleague of mine, Dave Williams, as well as Zach Tuttle. And we have an influx, like 50% of our class is recently graduated high school students, and they are
Okay.
hungry. And we had speaking of weather at the beginning of the show, we're talking about weather, right? Well, we had a little week here in Portland, Oregon, and we had some snow shut down. So we lost a
Mm-hmm.
week. So we're like, hey, we open from 7 to noon, but we're going to open at 6:30. And if you guys want to jump in and make up that time, we're here. And they're coming in and they're hungry. And they're like not letting us get away. They're grabbing us, getting us to the booth, asking amazing questions, wanting details.